One day you're David Goggins and you're shouting how people need to feel pain so they can feel better about themselves, and you're like being David Goggins, and then the next day you're on your crusty bed and you're watching Fitex Fearless versus Nunu clips. Really, bro? This is because you lack intention and you rely on intuition. I know what I just said just sounds big and weird. What the fuck did this guy just say? But just hear me out. Never ever rely on intuition if you're not successful. Intuition is like your feeling, your gut feeling, your emotions, you know? Never rely on intuition or feelings or emotions when you're not successful, because when you are successful, it's like you're used to success. You're used to just waking up and going to the gym. It's just nothing basically. But when you're still a beginner, when you still didn't achieve success, you should never ever rely on feelings or emotions. When you're still a beginner, do not give your body a choice. Do not give your brain a choice, because probably you have been a loser for most of your life, right? So you're used to being a loser, right? Then your body's natural tendency is to be a loser, is to be lazy. So you're still a beginner and you're trying to change that. You're a loser and you're trying to change that. So never ever give your body a choice. Never like tell your brain, oh, I think we should go and work out.
Man, shut your...
Tell your brain your choices don't matter. Don't rely on intuition, on your brain, on your feelings or emotions, of whether you feel like doing something. And the way to do that is with this godly, this insane habit, bro. This habit is insane, bro. So at the end of each day, when you're about to sleep, just get a pen and a paper and write what you want to do the next day, bro. I swear to God, bro, this habit is insane, bro. It's like you, because when you are writing and you're planning tomorrow, you're not under the influence of anything. You're just writing truthfully, honestly, what is good for you instead of what feels comfortable. Because think about it, okay? When today I'm writing the plan for tomorrow, I'm like thinking, okay, the gym is good for me, so I'm gonna wake up and go to the gym. I'm gonna do some work and I'm gonna read because these things are good for me. But tomorrow, if you're just sitting there and you're like, should I go to the gym? Should I do it? You're probably not gonna do it because your body just picks up on uncertainty. Your body, your brain, when you are uncertain, you will almost never do anything. When you're like, should I go to the gym? You will nine times out of 10 won't go to the gym. Never give your brain a chance. Never be uncertain. That's why this habit is so OP, bro. When you just write everything, you know honestly that truthfully the gym is good for you and you write everything you want to do. But if you don't do this, tomorrow it's like you will just do whatever, you will just say a bullshit excuse of, oh yeah, I don't want to get too big. Oh, the gym it's too far away. The gym is already the gym is crowded and packed and I don't like it, and I'm already late. I can't go to you'll just say whatever bullshit. When you are planning, when you plan stuff, you genuinely know that the gym is good for me, reading is good for me. There's no bullshit, there's no, oh yeah, it doesn't feel good. You have a plan. You know what you need to do. Because today, bro, I woke up at 6:10 a.m., right? I woke up at 6:10 a.m. I brushed my teeth, do all that shit. I arrived in the gym at 7 a.m. and then I finished the gym and now I'm recording and then I'm gonna edit videos and read. Do you think that I just woke up and I was like, yeah, let's go to the gym and edit and just do all of that? Of course no. Of course no. You probably, if you do something productive, you probably do one thing productive in your day. You go to the gym. And that's it. You just sit for the rest of the day. You just do one productive thing. But when you plan, you can do multiple productive things. Today, bro, I just woke up 6 a.m., bro. I woke up at 6 a.m. I went to the gym. I just came back from the gym, bro. Now I'm recording, bro. Do you think I just woke up and I felt like doing all this? No. It's because I had a plan. So plan your shit, bro. Do it. It is planning before you're executing. Because when you are in the act, when you are about to go to the gym and you don't have a plan, you are uncertain, right? You don't really know if you wanna or don't want to go to the gym. You will 9 times out of 10 not go. Because your brain doesn't like uncertainty. When you are uncertain, you'll almost just never do anything. So never be uncertain, bro. And the best way to not be uncertain is to just, before you sleep, get a pen and a paper and write everything you want to do tomorrow. Because when you are writing that, you're not bullshitting yourself. You're not saying, oh yeah, it's cold, so I'm not gonna go to the gym. No, it's like just honestly, truthfully, just factual. You're just writing out of facts, not feelings. I'm gonna do this tomorrow at 7 a.m. Do this thing, do that thing. You're just being logical. But when you don't have a plan, you're emotional. So plan, bro. Plan and then execute, bro. If you just execute without planning, maybe you will just go to the gym. That's the one thing. That's the one productive thing that you will do. If you wanna do multiple productive things, bro, you have to plan, bro. You have to. It's simple. It's easy AF, bro. Just like use your God-given power, bro. Use your intellect, bro. Use your intellect to plan tomorrow, and tomorrow you don't have to think about anything. You can just turn into a retard and just follow the plan. It removes all of that extra friction that makes you want to quit and not do that thing. Like this habit is just insane, bro. Never skip it. When you're about to sleep and stuff and you feel like, oh, you want to sleep and shit, like, don't sleep, bro. Wake up and write the plan for tomorrow. Like, this habit is insane, bro. It will change your life, really, bro. And this habit is also better than routines. You know, like routines where you like you put a picture on your phone wallpaper or like something, and you write, oh yeah, 6 a.m. I'm gonna do this, and 6, 7, you plot down your day. The reason why more routines are like, they're not so good because routines are less detailed. Because who knows, maybe tomorrow you have to do that extra thing. Maybe tomorrow your mom wants you to go buy some things from the shop. If you just like follow the routine, that just like messes up everything. So this is why, like, bro, this is why you need to do this every single day before you go to sleep. Get a paper, a pen and a paper, and write every single thing you need to do tomorrow, bro. This habit will change your life. Just trust me, do it, bro. Like, it's insane, bro. I hope you do it, bro. Like, it's insane, really. Like, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Just do it. Never skip it, bro. It's insane, bro. Like, oh yeah, forgot to tell you, like and subscribe and stuff. Hope you found this video better. Hope you like, subscribe, and bye.